Want to sell digital products without creating them from scratch? Tired of staring at a blank page, wondering what to create? In this episode of Internet Paydays, we're diving deep into one of the smartest shortcuts in the digital product game, PLR, or private label rights content. I'm going to show you exactly how you can legally buy ready-made content packs, put your name on them, customize them to fit your brand, and sell them for profit. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've been trying to launch digital products for months without success, this strategy can help you start earning today. By the end of this episode, you'll know where to find high-quality PLR content, how to make it uniquely yours, and the exact platforms and strategies to use for maximum profit. Let's get into it. What is PLR content? First things first, what exactly is PLR? PLR stands for private label rights. This is a special type of license that gives you incredible freedom with pre-created content. When you purchase PLR content, you are essentially buying the rights to use that content, almost as if you created it yourself. Here's what you can do with PLR. Edit the content. Change anything you want. The words, structure, examples, even the entire format. Rebrand it. Add your logo, your colors, your brand voice. Sell it. Keep 100% of the profits when someone buys. Claim authorship. Put your name on it as the creator. Bundle it. Combine multiple PLR products into one premium package. Repurpose it. Turn an ebook into a video course, a checklist into social media posts. Why it's profitable. Let me break down why PLR is such a game changer for making money online. 1. Massive time savings. Creating an ebook from scratch can take 40 to 80 hours. A full course? 100 plus hours. With PLR, that work is done. 2. Instant product library. Most successful digital product sellers have multiple products. Why? Because it builds trust, increases customer lifetime value, and gives you more ways to make money. 3. Bundling and upselling opportunities. Here's where it gets really profitable. Buy 3 PLR ebooks for $30 total, rebrand them, and bundle them into a complete starter pack for $47. Your profit margin is incredible. 4. Low financial risk. Most PLR products cost between $7 and $47. That's your total upfront investment. Compare that to hiring a writer, $500 to $2,000 per ebook, or spending months creating content yourself while making zero money. The risk is minimal. 5. Perfect for testing niches. Not sure if your audience wants content about meal planning? Buy a PLR meal planning pack for $17, customize it, and test the market. If it sells, great. If not, you're only out a small amount, and you learned something valuable. Where to find PLR products? Quality matters. Not all PLR is created equal. Here are the best sources I recommend. Top PLR marketplaces. 1. PLR.me. 2. idplr.com. 3. buyqualityplr.com. 4. Creative Fabrica. 5. theplrstore.com. How to rebrand PLR for profit? This is where the magic happens. Here's my exact 5-step process for transforming generic PLR into a unique, sellable product. Step 1. Choose strategic PLR. Pick PLR that aligns with your niche and expertise. If you're a fitness coach, grab fitness PLR. If you teach productivity, look for productivity content. Step 2. Edit and enhance the content. This is non-negotiable. Never sell PLR as is. Make it align perfectly with your niche. Step 3. Professional branding. This separates amateurs from pros. Create a compelling new title. Design an eye-catching cover using Canva templates. Add your name as author. Include your website, social media, and contact info. Create a professional copyright page. Add a table of contents. Include a call to action. Step 4. Format for your platform. Different platforms need different formats. PDF, best for ebooks, guides, and workbooks. Use Adobe Acrobat or PDF Escape. Zip file, for bundled resources or template packs. Video, for courses. Upload to Teachable, Thinkific, or Kajabi. Google Docs, for collaborative templates. Printables, high-resolution PDF or JPG for Etsy. Step 5, create your sales assets. You need more than just the product. Write compelling product description. Focus on benefits, not features. Create 3 to 5 mock-up images showing the product. Design promotional graphics for social media. Write email sequences to promote it. Create a simple sales page or landing page. Film a short video showing what is inside. Avoiding common PLR mistakes. Number 1, selling PLR as is. Number 2, ignoring quality control. Number 3, neglecting the license terms. Number 4, using outdated content. Number 5, generic, boring descriptions. Number 6, wrong pricing. Number 7, no email collection. Number 8, giving up too soon. Tools and resources you will need. Here is your complete toolkit. Design and editing, Canva Pro for covers, graphics, layouts. Google Docs for text editing. Adobe Acrobat or PDF Escape for PDF editing. Grammarly for proofreading. Selling platforms, Gumroad, Payhip, Etsy, Stan Store. Marketing, ConvertKit or MailerLite. Action plan, your first 30 days. Here's exactly what to do. Week 1, research and purchase. Week 2, customize and brand. Week 3, set up sales systems. Week 4, launch and market. The goal, make your first sale within 30 days. Once you do, you'll have proven the model works, and you can scale from there. Let's wrap this up. Reselling PLR content is genuinely one of the smartest ways to start earning with digital products. You don't need to be a writer, you don't need to be a designer, you don't need months of free time. You just need to be willing to find good PLR, customize it thoughtfully, and market it consistently. The entrepreneurs making $5,000 to $10,000 plus per month with PLR aren't doing anything magical. They, 1, choose quality PLR products. 2, rebrand them professionally. 3, market them actively. 4, repeat the process. That's it. No secret formula, just consistent action. Remember, the people making money with PLR aren't waiting for perfect conditions. They're taking imperfect action and improving along the way. Your first PLR product might not be perfect. Your first sale might take longer than you hoped. That's okay. Every successful PLR seller started exactly where you are right now. The question isn't, can this work? The question is, will you actually do it? I believe you can. Now go find some PLR, make it yours, and start selling. See you in the next episode of Internet Paydays, where we'll talk about scaling your digital product business to consistent $10,000 months. Now get to work. Your first customer is waiting.